Hello, my brand new workshop Unicorn Magic is now ready and available for you. If you would like to know a little bit more about the unicorns or continue your journey with the unicorns, then this workshop can be ready for you. Within this workshop, we are going to be attuning ourselves to the unicorns, meeting and greeting our unicorn guides and the unicorn realm. We're going to be going deeper into the soul and working with soul magic. There's a unicorn treatment and a unicorn healing meditation. We're going to be talking about how to birth your new life by working with the unicorns and how to do magic manifestation and some magic soul power. We're also going to be working with the unicorns to help us raise our vibration and how to work daily with the unicorns to help improve you and your life and how to live the life that you were born to live. So if you're ready to take this journey with myself and the unicorns, we look forward to working with you soon. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you soon.